Hello everyone, welcome back to yet another video. I am Tsholo Phoka for those that are new to this channel. On this video, I'm going to be doing this protective hairstyle with puffs at the back, braids in front with beads. I'd like to thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. I have 500 subscribers now and I'm going to be doing a 500 subscriber giveaway. So look in the comments below on how to enter that giveaway. The giveaway will be a 500 Rand voucher for either Dischem or Clicks, so the winner will get to choose which voucher they want, either for Dischem or for Clicks. So for you guys that haven't subscribed yet, do subscribe to my channel, hit the like button as well as the notification button to be notified of every time I post a new video. And without talking too much, let's get straight into this video. I'm doing this hairstyle on freshly washed hair, and I'm going to open a line in the middle where we're going to section out our hair because we're going to be doing 2 braid sections on the sides. I'm also going to clip back that hair after I've opened up my section so that it doesn't disturb me when I'm braiding. The cornrow braids that I will be doing are 3 cornrow braids on the left and 3 cornrow braids on the right. I do already have a video on how to cornrow braid your hair, so I won't be focusing too much on showing you how to cornrow braid your hair. You can watch that video if you do not know how to cornrow braid your hair. The cornrow braid video will be attached up top. I did a questionnaire on my Instagram and I asked you guys what I should give away as my first subscriber giveaway, and the most popular answers were my favorite skincare product or my favorite hair care product. So that's why I decided that I'm going to give away a 500 Rand voucher for Dischem or Clicks. So you have to choose between Dischem or Clicks if you get to win this giveaway. Most of my skincare and hair care products I buy from Clicks or Dischem, so everything you need that I'm using in my videos, you're basically going to find them there. You know those people when they're braiding, they like take literally 1 minute to braid their hair. I take probably forever to braid my hair. It takes time. How long do you guys take to braid your hair? Leave a comment below and let me know. So now I am done cornrow braiding my hair in the front. I did 3 cornrow braids on both sides of my hair sections, and we're going to go to the back now and do those afro puffs. I'm fluffing out my hair at the back just to prepare it to do those afro puffs. I'm sectioning out the hair in triangles at the back, and I'm doing this because when I use a triangle it leaves more room for more afro puffs at the back, and also it doesn't leave a lot of gaps at the back when you do a triangle shape. The way I'm going to do these afro puffs is the same way they do some Madagascan traditional hairstyle that I've seen on Pinterest and I've loved. You first braid the bottom half of the hair and then you leave the top half, and I'll just secure it with a band on top. I'm using hair elastic bands to secure the top of the puff. I always use these hair elastic bands and they're very good for hair because they do not break the hair, and also they're easy to remove because when you pull them they break easily, and also they are slippery and do not attach to the hair. What I've noticed about square box shaping at the back, it's beautiful for maybe when you're doing box braids, because you do want to see those gaps and those beautiful clean lines. But for this hairstyle, it's better not to see a lot of lines at the back. I'm also going to use some clips to secure the afro puffs at the back, and also to move them closer to each other to create a nice afro puff updo. For the puffs to be secured, I make sure that I put the clip close enough to another afro puff, and then I make sure that I put it deep enough to hide it underneath the afro puff so that we don't have a lot of pins showing at the back. I'm also going to fluff out those afro puffs at the back just to make them more thick and also that they blend in together. So this is how the hairstyle looks without the beads, and we're still going to insert the beads, but you can still rock it without the beads because it still looks nice. The beads that I will be using are clear hair beads, and you can use any type of beads that you like. A trick that I've learned in doing hair beads on your hair is to just secure your hair on a hair clip, and then you put the hair clip inside the bead and pull the bead up, and it's as simple as that. At the end, I'm going to take a bit of hair and I'm going to secure the last hair bead with my hair. Then I'm going to take an elastic band and put it around that last hair bead carefully. When I'm done putting that hairband, I'll just put in any extra left hairband inside that bead and hide it inside the bead. Thereafter, you'll have your secured hair beads looking like this. For my edges, I'm going to use the Aunt Jackie's Edge Control. This is not a holding gel, it's a smoothing gel, so it won't last that long, but I'm only using it just to brush my edges. And when you're done, you should look like this. This hairstyle is beautiful and you can wear it to any occasion. I just love it, it's so cute. It somehow reminds me of a hairstyle you would wear in the 90s or the 80s. What do you guys think about that? Leave a comment below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and thank you for watching. Do leave a comment below on where you would wear this protective hairstyle if you were to try it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!